You know, when you're used to drinking something for so long and you have to break your routine in the morning, then you get where you want and you feel nice, yeah man, that's how I feel about my jelly. It's day 41. I kinda having a down day. I've been having this headache from morning. I'm not sure why, so I'm staying hydrated. Feeling a little bit lazy to make juice, so I just been drinking coconut water and water for most of the day. Having my coconut water. The best part about eating raw, as I always say, is the fact that I don't have to wash up any plates or wash up any, you know, I can just open my jelly, put my straw in and enjoy it. Another one, so easy. Woo, that one there full up. Woo, full up. As it approaches evening, basically it's evening now, I wind down with my coconut water and then whatever else I feel for by the time I finish working. If you don't already, get your coconut opener, link up Stacia, she'll hook you up. It's a lifesaver. So for dinner, I'll be making a simple smoothie with blueberry and coconut meat, coconut water, This is the end of day 41 for me, and this is dinner, and it is raw amazing. So I'm feeling great, I'm doing great, I'm not hungry, and yeah, I'm looking forward to what day 42 is going to bring. So it's first thing in the morning as I jumped out of bed, having my coconut. I don't know, but there's something different when you're having coconut water first. Too bad I don't have any lime to add to it, but hey, I still get my morning shower, right? Cheers. Today I feel for some green juice, so I'm making cucumbers, ginger, coconut water and kale. And actually this kale is from my garden, so I think I'll enjoy this one. Today is not one of my best days. I have been feeling a little bit not so good. Feel like I just want to stay in bed all day, so I'm boosting my iron level. So let's see if I feel better throughout the day. So it's the end of day 42. I don't really have much to video today. As I said earlier, I wasn't feeling well, so I slept out most of the day. So I woke up and I'm having a coconut water. I'm feeling a lot better than this morning. I'm not sure what it was, but I felt a little bit better after I had the juice. The ginger gave me a kick, you know, kind of wake me up. But I slept through the day. Maybe I just needed some rest, because, you know, working on a farm can take a toll on the body at times. But it's the end of the day. I'm feeling better. Having a coconut water before bed. Yeah, so let's see how I feel tomorrow morning. A bit different to start my day. So I'll just drink some water and lime until my coconut gets here, because I'm out today, so I'm just doing something different. So my first juice for today is some cucumbers, pineapple and ginger with coconut water, of course. Can't leave out my coconut water. Here goes. I still feel like I want to do juicing. Maybe I'll just incorporate one solid meal for the day. I'm not sure, but I'll listen to my body and see where it takes me. My cucumber, pineapple and ginger with coconut water. I wanted more of a cucumber taste, hence I put more cucumbers than pineapple. And it tastes just right. I put it in the fridge to chill a bit, so it's giving off this cool, refreshing vibe. And the coconut water, it doesn't require any sugar because the coconut water keeps the flavor. And as you can see, I'm having it under my favorite spot. If you have been following us for a while, you know what tree is it, right? So yeah, this is my next meal for day 43, and I'm going to enjoy it under my ackee tree. So homegirl gets her jellies. So you know, when you're used to drinking something for so long and you have to break your routine in the morning, then you get what you want and you feel nice. Yeah man, that's how I feel about my jelly. Because for the past 2 weeks I've been starting my day with coconut water, and this morning I couldn't, but they were delivered and I'm making use of them. So kudos to day 43. So for dinner I feel like doing some noodles tonight. So this bad boy right here give me these lovely noodles. My noodles are sitting there waiting, so I'm going to create a sauce with coconut meat, mango, some garlic, sweet peppers, scotch bonnet and blending coconut water. Time to taste. It has this sweet and spicy thing going. It's good. So I got myself some more jelly. Oh my god, I love my friends. So these are courtesy of my friends. I am going to enjoy them. I made this just the other day. It was good, so I'm making it again. So it's coconut water, beetroot and ginger with purple cabbage. So here goes. Yep, my juice is ready. You want it nice, you can try it. It's that kind of day where I feel for most of the juice because the time is hot, so I realize I'm drinking. But I don't mind to make, once I have things to make juice, I will. Finally, the last of my beet juice. I basically did a pinch it through it nice. So I'm just drinking today. Just drinking. This is going to be one of my favorites.